Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is PJ. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. And if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop our next video. You can also like and comment on this video, and you can also share your comments on this comment section. You can share us your experience so far using this strategy, and you can also join our Telegram group for free indicator and free technical analysis of boom and crash. So today I'm going to introduce you to another wonderful strategy. Another wonderful strategy. You know, this strategy is what I've been testing, and it's really working for me. As you can see now, currently now I'm having an account here which I've used this particular strategy to grow. You see, this particular strategy only works on high time frames, which is 30-minute time frames. So you can use this strategy on 15-minute time frames, on 30-minute time frames, and you can also use it on 1 hour time frames. So what I'm going to do is, let me show you the settings of this indicator. So from the settings of this indicator, we have the relative strength index, which is the period of 1. We have the apply to open. I have the style to be in my white color, which is the background color. I have the level, which is in 90, 50, and 10, which show me the buying and the selling area, which I have to sell my trade. And also you can press undone, then you move to the average. We have the period of 10, shift of 0. We have methods to be simple. We have apply to close, and we have our style here color to be in red color. So you can also choose any color of your choice. Then you press undone. We have the stochastic oscillator, which is the parameter of k. The percentage of k is 5, the percentage of d is 3, the slowing is 3. We have the price feed of low and high. We have method to be simple. We have our two mains and signal to be in white color, so which is going to be the color of your background. So if you are using black background, make sure that your color also here is in black color. So I have the level here, which is 20 and 80. So you can choose that. You just press undone, and we have the third one, with the fourth one, which is the moving average. I have the period of 7, the shift of 0. We have the method to be simple, apply to close, and our style colors to be in green color here. Then you press undone. Then we have the last one, which is the Ichimoku. We have the first one to be 9, 20, 52. So we only have the first style here to be in what? To be in black color, and we have the rest to be in white color. So if you are using white background, if you are using black background, so you only have your first style here to be in white color, and while others will be in black color, which is the color of your background. So when you press undone, then you should have the same settings I have on this chart. As you can see now, how do we use this particular strategy to take up our buy entry and our sell entry? The only thing that you need to confirm is only in your window chart. You have to look very well on your window chart. You have to be very careful on your window chart. So you just follow the rules that I laid down on this. As we all know that this is our main chart, and the only thing that we are going to be looking at is when our RSI, which is our black color here, and our two moving average, they are crossing below the 20 level. When they are crossing below the 20 level, you take up your buy zone. So when you take up your buy zone, which is your buy entry, you take it up like this, and once you confirm this particular side. So if you are taking up a buy entry, then you need to confirm that our RSI and other moving average is when above 80 level, which is this level, above 80 level. So that is exactly when you are going to be taking up your trade. So let me show you an example. As we know, we only will use 30-minute time frames here, which is boom 1000. So let me show you as an example of what I said in there in the video. Make sure that every trade that you are trading is original. You just adjust your skin now. Let me show you how you can do that. You see that you can control this. You draw it to the last zone, and when you draw it to the last zone, it helps you to identify each zone. You see now, currently now we know that the market is what? They are respecting our rules. which is giving us a sign that there is going to be a what, a buy entry here. So now if you currently have the market now, you will know that exactly at this moment now, if you take up your what, your entry on a buy zone, you are going to make a lot of profit in the market because it has respect our indicator here. So let's check for more. You see at this particular level now, all our RSI and our moving average, they are moved above 20 level. Then what do? We enter our trade at this level. Then take up your trade at it. And also when we check here also, you see I take this particular trade. You see the three meet above 80 level, and when they meet above 80 level and I confirm it from my window, then I enter the trade at this level, then I make the market down to this level. You know how much of money that you will have make in 30 minutes with this strategy. You know, when you can take this particular each candle represent 30 minutes. Imagine how many hours that you have take from this. How many hours that you have take from this. You see that? So let's check for more. Let's check for more. You see this particular entry also, we have our confirmation at this level, our RSI and all our moving average have reached our level, and we can easily take up our trade at this moment. So let's check, maybe we can see. So this strategy also really works on boom and crash. It works on boom and crash. Let me show you what's exactly the same thing happened at this minute here. You see it meet our requirements at this level, and we can easily enter our trade here and take our trade down to this level. So let me show you what is happened on our crash 1000 also. As you can see now, we have an entry on crash 1000 at this particular level, because we can able to confirm our trade at this level. So it respects our below 20 level here, and we enter our trade to move it on the uptrend. So it respects that. So if you can easily take your trade up to this level to take your profits one, and also here you can take your profit two, then you can easily out of the market to avoid taking more risk. So let's keep on checking. Yes, we have another confirmation here. Immediately it show on our 20 level, you can easily enter the trade without getting scared. You see at this level, it show at this level, but if you can draw it back and front, you can see that it was sitting on the 20 level. So is it that you know that this particular trade is not 100%, it's not 100% confirmed. So that's it. So you can easily take up your trade a little bit and out of the market. So let's check for more sample. If you are buying from, if you are taking up a sell entry, you see there is a confirmation from this level. You see we have our indicator to respect this level at this particular moment, and we can easily take up the trade at this particular side. You see you can easily take down the market to this level. So if you are watching my channel for the first time, you have not yet subscribed, kindly help us to subscribe. It's going to help us a lot. And also you can like and comment on this video. You can also join our Telegram group for free trade analysis every time. Thanks.